Today I am going to talk about the topic seeking confirmation. बाज़-औक़ात हम किसी बात की तस्दीक या कन्फर्मेशन चाहते हैं या अपने किसी शक को दूर करना चाहते हैं कि कोई बात हकीकत में किस तरह है या कोई असल वाक़या दरअसल किस तरह हुआ है। ऐसे तमाम सेंटेंसेस में सीकिंग कन्फर्मेशन का फंक्शन यूज़ होता है। In English, if we want to confirm something, then we will use tag question. Here are examples. She is a beautiful girl. This is a simple sentence. If we want to make it tag question, we will add at the end negative part, isn't she? Okay. In this way, it will become tag question. And now we will see that what this sentence actually show. She is a beautiful girl, isn't she? You can notice that I am trying to confirm. Isn't she beautiful? Here is another example. You are going to stay, aren't you? I'm also here confirming. Are you going to stay here or not? Aren't you? If you notice that in English language, tag question एक ख़ास किस्म का सेंटेंस है जिसके आखिर में टैग क्वेश्चन लगाकर फ़िक्रे को सवालिया बना लिया जाता है। इसका मेथड ये है कि दिया हुआ सेंटेंस पहले वैसे ही सिंपल फॉर्म में लिख दिया जाता है और एट द एंड क्वेश्चन फॉर्म यानी कि सवालिया हिस्सा टैग क्वेश्चन का इजाफा कर दिया जाता है। फॉर इंस्टेंस, ही इज़ अ टॉल बॉय। इसके साथ टैग क्वेश्चन लगाने से ये फ़िक्रा यूँ बनेगा, he is a tall boy, isn't he? Here I am also trying to confirm that is he tall boy, isn't he? The last part of the sentence is showing the confirmation. यानी सादा या मुस्बत फ़िक्रे के साथ टैग वाला हिस्सा नफ़ी सवालिया शक्ल में आएगा। Let's move towards some more examples. She was a naughty girl. Now we will make it tag question. She was a naughty girl, wasn't she? I am here confirming. Was she naughty girl? Wasn't she? Another example. They are good girls. They are good girls, aren't they? She teaches well. She teaches well, doesn't she? Here I am also confirming. Does she teach well or not? Doesn't she? Another example. He will come. He will come, won't he? We have done our duty. We have done our duty, haven't we? Now we will move towards different examples of tag questions. आपने नोट किया कि जो हम एग्ज़ाम्पल्स पहले देख चुके हैं उनमें सादा फ़िक्रे यानी कि फ़िक्रे जो कि सेंटेंस सिंपल थे उनके साथ टैग क्वेश्चन वाला जो पार्ट है वो हमेशा नेगेटिव फॉर्म में है। लेकिन अगर सेंटेंस पहले ही नेगेटिव हो तो इसका टैग क्वेश्चन वाला पार्ट सिंपल यानी कि पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में होगा। Here are some examples. Let's see. He is not a tall boy. Now we will turn it into tag question. He is not a tall boy, is he? You can see the first part of the sentence is already negative, and for making it tag question, we are adding at the end positive part, that is he. He is not a tall boy, is he? Here I am confirming, is he not tall boy? Another example, they did not do their work. Now we will make it tag question. They did not do their work. Did they? You can see that here I am also trying to seek the confirmation. I hope you have understood seeking confirmation, how to make tag question, and now you can easily make tag question. And now I am going to give you two examples, and you will make yourself tag questions, and this is your task. मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.